mass transportation. Whether we love sliding our cars, from just dailying our cars and enjoying them, to hitting dangerous speeds on and off the track. And winter falls, ending the season. For all to enjoy time with family and loved ones. The cars go away, and the winter fun begins.
But for some, the season is not over. We have car enthusiasts that go into the virtual realm of gaming. So when winter falls, the fun has just begun.
So now I dwell just to say it plain up. Hold your cup cause I got the container. Pass the plate up.
Everything gone. I act a fool when I go and perform, but I'm trying. What the fuck is he doing? Act like a groupie around me, he drawing. I told him. And I need me to dough. If I ain't get paid, I ain't doing the show. Shit, I'm finna. I ain't covering the hoe when that's just some shit you should know. But can finna turn up, we finna get litty. Now we global, don't care about the city. He was talking, but didn't know talking. When we see them walking, that shit, it got sticky. 2 bros, 2 Glocks, that's 60. And I know they looking one give me. The new whip is fast, you look on the ass, the words gonna spill out Hemi. He ran and tripped all over his shoelace. 762 to his mouth like toothpaste. See niggas still in the style, but you late. See niggas think that they fly, but you ain't. How you a rock star? Told him cause I got back from the cop car, sipping on wild card. I heard them little songs, you not hard. Lying in raps, that shit is not hard. Everything gone. I act a fool when I go and perform, but I'm trying. What the fuck is he doing? Act like a groupie around me, he drawing. I told him. And I need me to dough. If I ain't get paid, I ain't doing the show. Shit, I'm finna. I ain't covering the hoe when that's just some shit you should know. But can pulled up, it was me and my man. At the club and we ain't even dance. I can't tell you what happened. I don't do no cabin. We left when we peed on our hands. You get 1, not 3. This ain't.
It's a cold Sunday to complain. I hold it in until it rain. I fought demons after fame. I spent millions on terrain. I treat my bitches like Diana. Pretty princess, hold the Fanta. 2003 Dolce & Gabbana. Jeans make her ass look fatter. We won't catch him outside. He don't got no money for the backup. I ran 30 million in the ground. city girl. I'm the real reason that she act up. She come back, I make her pack up. Send her home on spirit. Something in my spirit made me not believe I fear. I know bitches fear it, so I'm watching how I'm speaking. Single but I'm creeping. 1300 my cousin, man.
Would you believe?
Shit just fuck with me though. You feel me? Hey, I ain't even follow back, I see you follow me. You see I usually shoot my shot, you shot your shot at me. I'm 11,000, I'm that nigga that he tryna be.
I drop the pin on my location if you tryna meet. My bitch can cook, my other bitch gon' give me Uber Eats. I fuck good, my bitches kissing and they look at me. I'm that nigga, I'm not in the street, I'm in the street.
She got me feeling for her love just like some nicotine. All you like when you get showered with expensive things. Me and Mitch flew to Atlanta, he brought half a beat. And I would hate for you to have to be a casualty.
We was broke, now we worth about 20 keys. I was broke, I had no cheese, I had to sell the dreams. I used to dream about the shit, I ain't wake up and shit. 11 tell these pussy niggas they can't fuck with me.
In dark rooms I fight demons, you can't come for me. That's my bad if I keep asking why you fuck with me. But everybody loves 11,000 suddenly. And love it hurts and it stings like a bumblebee.
I call my plug Lumberjack, cause he keep the trick. If you think you play me, then you play yourself. I'm quick to leave her in the dust and tell the bitch to fuck herself. I remember getting left for dead and couldn't nail myself.
It wasn't even quarantine, the world left me by myself. But that shit hit harder when you ain't asked for no help. Hella weed, hella lean, bitch, I'm fucking up my health. I'm a motherfucking product of the damage you done dealt.
I ain't never really needed you, cause I fuck with myself. We be going band for band, I'm grabbing easy off the shelf. 11-5-5-7, only yes to be yourself. We the dynasty, you know, DJ Khaled, we the best.
Gang in this bitch, we ain't taking kindly to threats. Good Grand Dolio, I smoke you to death. When the fucking smoke clear, we gon' see what's still left.
Niggas could've got right, but shit still one left. Grand Dolly get you higher, it'll have you out of breath. It's 300 for the AP, that's a broke nigga check.